restore and protect the Philippine seas, improving sewer waste treatment and management. Here is how the current toilet system works. We use the toilet. We flush the wastewater into the septic tank. Wastewater from the septic tank then is absorbed by the earth or go directly into bodies of water, which in most cases goes into sewage drains that go straight to the coastal waters, contaminating the seas and its marine ecosystem, directly affecting people who access the seas in the process. Water for Use, an Australian company founded by Alan Lear, spent years developing the Continuous Vacuum Filtration Machine, or the CVFM, a new water treatment system which will improve the way we treat our wastewater. This will work by integrating the CVFM with our current wastewater management system. Wastewater will first come from places with appropriate plumbing such as restrooms and bathrooms, with toilets, sinks or showers. It will then be flushed down to the septic tank. The contents of the septic tank will pass through the CVFM, which will kill harmful contaminants before reaching the bodies of water. The CVFM is a system that cycles the wastewater through the filter membrane over time, until wastewater is treated and contaminants are eliminated. The filter membrane is a result of a 7-year research and development that is designed to remove most of the contaminants from any source. It is made up of layers that are proven to filter chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, silts and oil. Instead of discharging the filtered waste into the sea, we can use this clean water to irrigate and grow a particular list of plants, creating a green zone, providing shade, and promoting fresh air. We can now ensure that our seas are safe from contaminants. Philippine seas can now be restored, coral reefs can now grow again, increasing marine life population. We can now prevent algal bloom. We can have clean beaches that everyone can enjoy. CVFM by Water for Use can make a great difference. We are here to help restore and protect the Philippine seas. For more information, visit waterforuse.com.